Good afternoon and welcome to day 365 of the St. Clair County COVID briefing. I'm joined today with EMA Director Herb Simmons, and we will get right into the numbers here. For St. Clair County, they have tested 297,944. That is an increase since yesterday of 717. Positive test results are 28,714. That's an increase of 57 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 70s. That brings our daily county positivity to 7.9%. Negative test results are 269,429. Unfortunately, this county is adding 2 additional COVID-19 related deaths today, bringing our county death total to 462. Those were a male in his 60s with unknown health conditions and a male in his 70s who did have underlying health conditions. And our sympathies are with those families for their loss. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 27,703. For state totals, they've tested 19,066,070. Positive test results are 1,207,847. That is an increase of 1,675 since yesterday. Unfortunately, the state also announced 23 additional COVID-related deaths, bringing the death total in Illinois to 20,924. For those hospitalized due to COVID-related illness, we'll start with St. Clair County. Unfortunately, we did have a sharp increase since yesterday. We now have 43 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness in St. Clair County, and 3 of them are on ventilators. Regionally, there are 72 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 4 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities, we will only announce those that have had changes. We have Bria of Belleville has 111 cases and 10 deaths. That's an increase of 1 case and 2 deaths for that facility. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate that. We'll get into the zip code reports here real quickly to see where they came in today. 62201 went up 1 to 566. 62203 went up 1 to 612. 62205 went down 1 to 632. 62206 went up 2 to 1,285. 62207 went up 1 to 582. 62208 went up 5 to 1,614. 62220 went up 6 to 2,058. 62223 went up 5 to 1,735. 62225 went up 1 to 138. 62226 went up 8 to 3,175. 62232 went up 2 to 892. 62239 went up 2 to 464. 62240 went up 1 to 158. 62243 went up 1 to 767. 62254 went up 2 to 793. 62258 went up 5 to 1,035. 62260 went up 2 to 793. 62264 went up 1 to 355. And 62269 went up 17 to 3,232. And 62285 went up 1 to 561. Our daily county positivity rate jumped up today to 7.9, up from the 4.9% yesterday. The regional positivity also went up to 3.4 from 3.3 yesterday. And the county 7-day rolling average went up to 6% from 5.8% yesterday. The other counties came in today. Bond County came in at 0%. Clinton County 0.4%. Madison 6.7%. Monroe 3.6%. Randolph 1.2%. St. Clair 5.6%. and Washington 2.7%. Brian, the numbers today, which kind of were really concerned, with the holiday, St. Patrick's Day, We received some calls at the EOC today, people out doing their celebrating, no mask on, so I hope this isn't an indication. I mean, I know this was from yesterday, but if the calls that we received today, I hope we don't go backwards.
Yeah, it's definitely concerning when we see a 1-day increase of 8 patients in the hospital. That's concerning because we're at numbers that we haven't been this low for months. So we want to keep going in that right direction. There are a lot of people getting their vaccine, thousands of vaccines going out in the county every day, but that doesn't mean we can let our guard down.
Well, and if we do, then shame on all of us if that happens, because we are so close. We've got 2,100 scheduled appointments for today at the test site. Things are running okay.
The vaccine site.
The vaccine site. Everything is running there smooth. So hopefully everybody shows up and gets their vaccine today. And as that continues to be one of the top spots in the state, and the more needles we can get in the arm, the sooner we can get this behind us. So we just got everybody stay focused and have patience, and we can do that. So if you are going out and celebrating the St. Patrick's Day weekend, just use some good judgment, and hopefully we can keep these numbers down. We urge everybody to get signed up to show your your interest in the vaccine. We've had 753 more citizens since yesterday. You can go on the EMA page, fill out that form, or on the health department to do that. I do want to take a moment. I think it would miss us not to acknowledge that today, 365 days that we've been here bringing you these daily briefings from when it first started, through the whole testing process, now through the vaccination process. And as I said many times over this last year, as our death rates continue to go, today we've got 462 of our county residents that aren't with us because they lost their battle with COVID, and across the state, 20,924 citizens of the state have lost their lives due to this. So I think we need to all take and reflect on them. And it's not just about the lives that were lost, but their families and friends that don't have that individual with them. So just take a moment and just reflect back for 365 days of what we've all been through as Team St. Clair. It's been a lot of stress on everybody. Patients have been running wild. Stress levels have been high, but we are close. We are real close. The National Guard, our medical staff at the mass sites, at the health department, our first responders, everybody who's been through this pandemic for 365 days has been burning the candle at both ends to help get us through this, and we are close. When I say close, we are. If you don't see that, then I don't know where you're living at. So please, let's continue to stay vigilant. Remember the people that aren't with us. Remember that we've got a little ways to go yet, and we can do this together. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow as we start off day 366. Everybody have a good evening.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.